Welcome to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. So today we're subtracting fractions and learning how to subtract fractions. So I have divided my workspace into two partitions, one with questions and work. This suggestion was given by one of my relatives, and if you guys have any suggestions, please comment down below. I'm open for any suggestions. Thank you. So now let's start on our work right here, and then we'll answer it right here. Okay, Zara, tell me what's 5 times 5?
25.
25.
Aren't we supposed to subtract?
Yeah, we are subtracting because we're multiplying these two, and then we're subtracting the two numbers that we get, and we'll get that as our numerator. Okay.
Okay.
7 times 4 is
28.
28 minus 25.
3.
3. Good job. And then
35.
we have 35 as our LCM, right?
Least common multiple?
Yeah, that is our answer. Let's write it down. 3 over 30/5. Okay, that is our answer. Now, let's do the next one. 8 times 4 is?
32.
Good job. And 6 times 2 is?
12.
Okay. Okay, Zara, you go ahead. 32 minus 12 will be 20. 20 over LCM is 8. And it's an improper fraction, right, Zara?
Yes.
So what do we do with the improper fraction? We turn it into a mixed number, right?
That will be
2 and 1/2, right?
Yeah.
And that is our answer. 2 and 1/2. That simple. Now 16 times 2 is
32.
32. Same as last time.
Yeah.
And then 10 times 5 is
50.
50. 50 minus 32 is
22.
now.
I mean 16.
No.
18.
Good job. It's 18. 18 over. What's the LCM?
I think we should list out all the multiples.
Yeah. So 16's, all of 16's multiples, right?
Well, until we get it, not
Yeah.
all.
16 can go into 5, so 32,
48.
48,
64.
64, and 80, right?
Yeah.
Because
80
and
will
80
be-
has a 0 in it, which 5 can go into, and we'll have 80 right here, right? Oh, oops. Let me change the color. So we have 80 right here. Let's simplify this into 9 and 40. And we have our answer. 9 over 40, right? Okay, let's go on to the next one. 3 times 4 is?
12.
And 5 times 2 is?
10.
Good job. 12 minus 10 is?
2.
Okay, let's write 2 right here. Over LCM of 5 and 3 is?
15.
Good job. 2 over 15 is our answer. Write that right here. And we're done. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Smash that subscribe and like button, and bye.